Welcome to this exceptional hilltop estate, perfectly situated for unobstructed views of 4 mountains and downtown Portland. Situated on more than 9 acres, this gated property offers complete tranquility and privacy. Enjoy every amenity for luxury living, from the guest house to the expansive patio to the tennis court, surrounded by lush landscaping. A putting green frames the majestic entry to this custom home of more than 6,600 square feet. Discover multiple gracious entertaining spaces, displaying masterful craftsmanship throughout. Relax by the living room's gas fireplace, or take in the view from the walls of windows. The formal dining room with a coffered ceiling, fireplace, built-ins, and butler's pantry is ready for your family and friends. The thoughtfully designed home has easy access to the entertaining patio from nearly every room. The impressive kitchen features a gigantic gas cooktop island, slab quartz countertops, double ovens, sub-zero refrigerator, high-end appliances, and a walk-in freezer. From the breakfast nook, French doors open to the covered patio and built-in rejuvenating hot tub. A symmetrical design. On the other end of the home, you'll find the luxurious primary suite, where you can wake up to Mount Hood views. Enjoy a flexible space to work out, or unwind in the spa-like bath with a double vanity, jetted tub, steam shower, and 2 walk-in closets. French doors open to the large office or den with built-in bookshelves and extensive moldings. Just down the hall, you'll find 2 more generously sized bedroom suites. A private staircase leads to a guest suite with a full bath. The serene retreat provides multiple spaces to forget the stress of the day and savor the moment. Host large or small gatherings with plenty of room for family fun or to practice your backhand. Other features include a rose garden, treehouse, 7-car garage with a 44-foot deep RV bay, and a separate guest house with a 640-square-foot apartment. An extraordinary hilltop retreat offering the best in Northwest luxury living. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.